Morning to you all.
Morning, sir.
So I wish you a very happy Independence Day. Today is India's 79th birthday. Suppose somebody's birthday at your home, what you will do? What you will bring? Tell me. Yes, we are so happy. I am very glad to stand before you to address on this gathering. I would like to point out some of the points regarding the Indian independence. First of all, I want to draw your attention on two important former president of US. One is John F. Kennedy. What madam said, don't ask what you have done for the country, but ask what you are doing for the country. India is a very big democratic country wherein we are following a big constitution. It is the country ruled by the people and for the people and of the people. In this occasion, we are very happy and celebrating this Indian independence in a very grand manner. It is our duty to recall some of the achievements and some of the words and sayings of some sages. What Madam rightly said, Bharatiyar in his verses, 30 கோடி முகமுடையாள் எனினும் உயிர் ஒன்றுடையாள், செப்பு மொழி 18 உடையாள் எனினும் சிந்தனை ஒன்றுடையாள், 30 கோடியும் வாழ்வோம் வீழில் 30 கோடி மொத்தமும் வீழ்வோம். This says, this verses stress the importance of national integration, unity in diversity. Unity in diversity is very fruitful in India. So in India, you know, Hindus, Muslim, Christian, Sikh, so many peoples are living. They follow different heritage, different culture, different casteism. Till then we proud that we are India, and also we follow the feeling of oneness that is called national integration. And also it is a time that you have to give more importance to your rights and responsibility. You have to establish your rights and responsibility. So what you have to do, how you have to do, what are you going to do? There are millions of questions behind you to achieve success in this India. And also, it is necessary to recall some of the sages in our country. The world famous Vivekananda gave his great Hinduism. And also, Rabindranath Tagore gave his Vishwabharati University. He is the first Indian laureate for his Indian literature. Many great leaders, Motilal Nehru, Jawaharlal Nehru, Vallabhbhai Patel, in India, also in Tamil Nadu, Bala Gangadhar Tilakar, also Rajendra Prasad, Bharatiyar, Bharatidasan, Kamarajar, Rajaji, many great leaders gave their contribution to the country. Many leaders sacrificed their life mostly in the prison. Some of the important heroes, Veerapandiya Kattabomman, Bhagat Singh, were hanged to death. Also we depict the Vanchi Maniachi incidents before you as our students, 6th standard, 7th standard, 8th students demo the sacrifice of Vanchi Maniasan. Also you know it. And also more than 200 years back, India suffered in the hands of British. What the history madam said, they adopted two policies, doctrine of lapse and also divide and rule policy. Many leaders fought against them. Many movement has come, civil disobedience movements, non-cooperation movements, Quiet India movement, no tax campaign, salt satyagraha were important one. Among them, right from Sipai Mutini in 1857 to 15th August 1947, we have done a great job and got independence. It is the time we have to recall some of the achievement after 8 decades. Nearly 80 years passed after independence. It is trustworthy. We have to give the achievement of the nation. First of all, in the export, as per the global index, what it says, $824.9 billion we are exporting. Some of the major exports are IT field, automobile, refined petroleum product, jewelry, gems, etc. we are ranking 17th in the world. And also, right from 1969, ISRO achieved a great things. In November 5, 2013, we sent a missile to Mars called MOM. In August 23, 2023, we sent Chandrayaan 3 to establish and land in the Luna. And also Aditya L1 we send for solar orbiter. Soon we are going to launch Gaganyaan to send crew to the space. We are 8th position in the world in the space and research science. Regarding population explosion, we surpass China and we are number 1 in the world. This is the threat to our nation. And regarding agriculture product, we are self-sufficient and we are ranking 2 in major producers such as rice, wheat and sugarcane. Some of the notable achievement we have got it. Moreover, how the coin has 2 sides, the same way there is a great evils present in our society. Some of them are terrorism, casteism, racism and even poverty. Such deep-rooted poverty should be eliminated or get out only by self-employment and full employment. This is possible only in the hands of you. You are the pillars of the nation. It is your duty. You have to establish your right. You have to follow the footprints of the great sages and leaders. You have to uplift the nation in the great things. And also, it is necessary to some of the great leaders saying what Vivekananda said, you give me 100 educated youth, I make the India very prosper. In India at present, 44 crore youths are there. So it is possible for us to uplift India in the great extent. And also, the Roosevelt said, great people thinking. So thinking is necessary. So thinking only will make you a wisdom. Wisdom comes from knowledge. Knowledge comes from experience. But experience comes only from the mistakes. The mistakes comes only from doing or trying or thinking. What Abdul Kalam said, think. Thinking is your capital assets. Thinking is your capital assets. You go ahead it. What the Vivekananda said, take one idea. Think. Develop the idea. Your brain, muscle, nerve and every parts of the body round this idea and achieve success in the world. And also we are blessed with 2 important epic, Ramayana and Mahabharata, and also the world famous Tirukural. So regarding Tirukural, there is a world famous Tirukural. The 2 conversations between Leo Tolstoy and the Gandhiji I want to give you. Leo Tolstoy was a very famous writer of Russia. He wrote War and Peace, the famous book. Gandhiji inspired his writing. One time he asked where these words are taken from. Then Leo Tolstoy said, this was the book. It is in your country. Gandhiji is surprised to ask whether it is Mahabharata. He said no. Whether it is Ramayana. He said no. Whether it is Bhagavad Gita. He said no. He told Tirukural, all these virtue relating and abide by the all over the nation is there in the Tirukural. Such a holy books and great leaders of our country is present. So you are the young generation. You are the pillars of the nation. You have to lead the country in a peace and a prosperity. As I told you, today is the India's birthday. It is everybody. We have to bring gift to our nation. What gift you are going to bring? You bring your loyalty. You give your education. You give your dedication. Let us work together and live together to make the India in the pinnacle of the glory of the nation and stand number 1 in the world. Thank you and Jai Hind.